Let me kind of split a little bit. When 4G, you can say, whether it is small cell, macro, micro, all of them, the maximum what they did was starting from split zero. Split zero means like you have the entire stack. That means you have your analog front end antennas, analog front end, digital front end, then your RFICs, which is a part of digital front end, and then the baseband and backhaul. This was a complete set for a baseband radio. And everything was packed on one, which was your split zero. But now I think when the transition started going more virtualized, VRAN or DRAN kind of concept. So from split zero, we have come to split two, which is nothing but a kind of PDCP split to the RLC. And then this is how kind of we split. And then split two was kind of deployed up to some extent with small cells and a couple of micro and pico kind of arrangements. But I'm seeing that like the world has done a lot when we have gone even further down. And when we go down, I think split 6 is what SCF brings to the plate for Open RAN initiative. And that is related to your Mac and Phi kind of split. And we have seen a lot of benefits doing that split. And that's the reason why, if you see the history several years back, SCF was the one who came up with the FAPI compliances. And FAPI compliance, when you integrate your Phi to Mac, and if the stack vendors are complying to it, then you can choose any chipset who are complying to their FAPI Phi. Then you can integrate whether the Phi is coming from your Radisys or Phi is coming from Aricent or any other Mac vendor if they're complying to it. So you don't need a convergence layer. And it was kind of solving a lot of issues related to the performance and efficiency and all those things. So the same thing has carried forward. So we started marching from there, from you can say 4G, we have come to 5G. And at present, I can say that that is kind of becoming a reality where multiple of the industry initiatives are adopting split 6. And in a similar way, like URAN has taken split 7.x, and they are doing a great job, a really great job, not only defining the interfaces, a lower Phi to upper Phi, but also defining the minimum viable products, all specifications, management framework, you can say control framework, SMO related stuff. So they have a much broader kind of you can say spectrum to deal with. And I feel that as I have also kind of explained in my earlier answer, that we need to bring a framework, we need to bring a blueprint so that you can say that pick and choose kind of concepts or plug and play concept becomes a reality one day. So in that way, I can say that split 7.2 very much active with macro micro kind of domains of 5G infrastructure and also adopted to private infrastructure. Similarly, I can see split 6 very close to enterprise solutions use cases. I can see that they are more favorable to private network deployments, where I can say that they are more, you can say in terms of mid-haul, in terms of integrating products, in terms of DU and RU integrations. Things are, I can see that they have a lot of advantages to bring it for enterprise services. And similarly, like, even if you have 7.x interface also, ultimately you have to hit split 6, which is your FAPI, because Mac and Phi integration you need to do, and most of the time that goes with the FAPI compliance of 5G. I think this is how I'm seeing major two interfaces: split 7.x and split 6. These are the two. And there is a lot of great work URAN is doing, and similarly SCF is also kind of taking its stake and making sure that the promotion of split 6 for distributed RAN is going kind of you can say head on you can say going along with your 7.x. Similarly, a lot of upper layer integrations are also happening at a CU level where your split 2 is still valid. So we are seeing a mixed flavor, because you know that one solution doesn't fit all in the industry. So definitely, based on the use case and based on the business case, definitely you are looking into a mix and match. I'm also seeing a possibility where split 6 can coexist, split 6 DU can coexist with split 7 DU and can go to a common CU. So those kind of possibilities also tells you that the industry is ready to cooperate with each other and bring this the supply chain superiority of Open RAN a reality. I think that is important, because until unless everyone cooperate with each other and bring a favorable, cost-effective framework, this is not going to be a reality. And then I feel that nobody can deny that these facts are acceptable and people are working together in cohesive.